Hi guys, welcome back to CNC Farm. I am Ashley if you are new here, and as always, thank you guys so much for stopping by. I have a special treat for you today. We are going to be unboxing my new pressure canner, but when I say new, I mean new to me. So this is a vintage pressure canner that my mother gave me. I believe she maybe used it one time. It is in excellent condition. All the pieces are here. So let's unbox this together, guys. Hey, here is what we are unboxing. It is the Mirro Matic. Still in its original box. My mother keeps the boxes to everything. Oh, and it got a Good Housekeeping Award. 16 quarts.
18 quarts.
Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Alright. Oh, guys, I should have known. Look how this... My mother keeps everything. I just want to hold this up and show you. See, look, it's all right there. We've got our weighted gauge, which all this is new to me. We've got this little thing, and I have no, bless you, buddy. I have no idea what this little guy is. I'm gonna think it goes on the top of the lid, on top of this, I don't know. Comment down below. We've got our manual. Alright, now when I say my mom keeps everything, can you guys see that? That's the receipt. She still has the original receipt. So this was purchased June 25th, 1975 for, let's see, total price was $35.86. The price on it was $34.48. So check out those cheap taxes, guys. All right, this has everything I need. I mean, she got everything, guys, everything. Oh, and then look, she's gone and like underlined stuff. And it's funny because I believe she only used this to can green beans with. And I think she only used it like once. All right, I mean, every little piece of paper this came with. All right, we've got our lid. Oh wait, this is a rack. Okay, so we've got our rack. We've got our lid. And now I'm gonna take all this stuff out and wash it, seal everything. I'm gonna test the seal. I gotta read on how to test this. I know there's a way to test your pressure cooker. But the seal looks in great condition. Like, it's not dry rotted. It's, like I said, she uses maybe once for sure. Seal looks in great condition. So I guess I'm gonna test the seal to see if I use it or not. There's another rack. And our canner, guys. So, I mean, it's in like great condition, excellent condition. So I'm hoping that when I test this out, that it works. Okay. See, I need to like test out how to do all this stuff before before I actually have to put the lid and stuff on. And why does it seem like this lid's not fitting on here? Is it just not in there exactly the right way? Okay, so I fiddled with it. There we go. See, and then it just twists. So I'm gonna say that just don't know what this piece is, you guys. I really don't know what it goes to. Guess I should read the manual with all the pieces, right? So we got this working, and yeah, you guys, I am stoked. So if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those down below. But I am going to be trying this bad boy out later today. So once again, thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And stay tuned for many pressure canning videos coming from this vintage canner, compliments of Mom.